Hello guys and welcome to Tech Dheer. I am Dheer here and today I'll show you how to screen mirror your phone to your PC. So this is a very important thing if you want to display something from your mobile phone to your PC, or if your PC is connected to your TV and your TV is not an Android TV and it does not support screen mirroring. Using HDMI cable, you have connected your PC, and if you want to screen mirror, this method will surely help you. Since I have done it in my desktop, the initial configurations can only be shown from my laptop. So I have my laptop over here. So I'll just start the video first. You can just come to settings over here, click over here. Now after coming to settings, you can go to system and projecting to this PC, or you can just close this and search for it. projecting 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 to this PC. Now just come over here, projection settings. Okay, so this is the settings. Now there are two things why you are going to do this. One is that your touch is not working in your mobile phone, and other thing is that your mobile phone screen is cracked. Now if your touch is not working, you will have to connect a optical mouse using the that small little thing which you are connecting the mouse with your mobile. It is called OTG plug, I think. Yeah, OTG. You can just connect it and then go to wireless display and do this stuff. But the other thing is to show your mobile phone screen to a big screen. So over here, whenever you open that setting, you will see this little gray thing. If you see this, just click on this optional features, add a feature, and then search over here wireless display, and then you will get it. Just install it. While this is installing, I'll show you what you have to do in your mobile phone. I'll just open this photo over here. You can see the smart view. In certain mobile phones there will be cast, certain will have wireless display, and certain mobile phones will also have Chromecast, and some mobile phones have the ability to actually just use the laptop keyboard and trackpad to control the mobile. I'll show you how it's done. So just click on the smart view, and when you click on that, you will get this thing, and you can see the laptop name or your device name. So I hope the feature is installed. It's taking some time in installation. We can just come back to home and wait for the feature to be installed. It's not installed till now. Okay, let's see. It's installing. Now when you reach over here, you can just click on it, and then you will be able to connect. So after the feature is installed, only I can proceed. So till that time, I'll just tell you, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of new videos as fast as you can. And now I'll just go back. Should be installed by now. It's taking some time. If you are in a very hurry schedule, you can just skip the video a little bit. And now it's just installed little bit more. I'll just go back. Should be done. Yeah, it's done, guys. And Now after that shaded part is gone, you can just configure this. This is the normal settings which you will get. Yeah, this is the normal settings you will get. And now after getting the settings, what you have to do is come over here, available everywhere, come over here. This is on you if you want first time only or every time, and then come over here. If you want to set a pin, you can set up and turn it on. This is your PC name. Now as I told you, come to your smart view. In this thing, for my phone it's like this. Just click on the laptop name and then you will get a little notification. If you have done this, it will come. I'll just click always allow. Okay. Now yeah, you can see there is a notification over here. This is my phone screen. Okay, you can see this physical keyboard settings. That's actually my laptop keyboard. And now you can see you can operate the whole phone. It's a bit laggy. That's due to the Wi-Fi, but still you can type using your laptop keyboard. I'll type Takdir and hit enter. You can see Takdir. I'll just click over here. You can see my channel. Do subscribe my channel over here, and this is my channel. And if you haven't seen these videos, do see it. So for now, this is what is screen mirroring and how to cast your mobile screen to the desktop. I'll just increase this thing just a second. I'll just show you how to close the screen mirroring. Just bring this thing down and you can see wherever your screen mirroring option is, just turn it off and your PC will be disconnected. You can see I'll just close this over here, settings. I always keep it off because I don't use it often, so I'll just turn it off. And this is how you can mirror your screen. You may have some issues of lagging, etc., but it will be always based on your Wi-Fi speed. And I'll recommend you to make sure that your phone and PC is connected to the same Wi-Fi router. So always make sure that. It can also improve the quality of your screen mirroring. If you like this video, do share this video, and I always try to keep it slow so that you can understand whatever I am saying. And every time when I make a video, I always say do share this video. So if you have any friends who don't know about this stuff, you can do share this video. You can share this video. Do hit the like button and do comment for the next topic. I'll try to bring those topics to my videos. Okay, so we'll meet you in the next video. Bye.